Is an economic activity undertaken with the motive of earning profits and to maximize the wealth for the owners. Business cannot run in isolation. Largely, the business activity is carried out by people coming together with a purpose to serve a common use. This team is often referred to as an organization, which could be in different forms, such as sole uh, proprietorship, partnership, and body corporate. The rules of business are based on a general purpose of trade, social values, and statutory framework, and compassing national or international boundaries. While these variables could be different for a different business, different countries, the basic purpose is to add value to a product or service to satisfy customer demand. The business activities require resources while are limited and have multiple uses, primarily in terms of material, labor, machineries, factories, and other services. The success of business depends on how efficiency and effectively these resources are managed. Therefore, there is a need to ensure that the businessman tracks the use of these resources. The resources are not free, and thus one must be careful to keep an eye on cost of acquiring them as all. At a business purpose, a business is make profit. One must keep on ongoing track of the activities and undertaken in course of business. Two basic questions would have to be answered. What is the result of a business operations? This will be answered by finding out whether it has made a profit or loss, where what is the position of the resource acquired and used for the business purpose, how are these resources financed, where the funds come from. It's natural question this is. The answer to these questions are to be found continuously. On the best way to find them is to record all the business activities. Recording a business activity has to be done in a scientific manner so that they reveal correct outcome. That science of bookkeeping and accounting provides an effective solution. If this is a branch of social science, this study material aims of giving a platform the students to understand basic principal concepts which can be applied to accurately measure performances of business. After studying the various chapters includes herein, the student should be able to apply the principles, rules, conventions, practices to different business situations like trading, manufacturing of or service. Over years, the art and science of accounting has evolved together with the progress of trade, commerce of national and global levels. Professional accounting bodies have been doing intensive, intensive research to come up with accounting rules that will be applicable. Modern business is certainly more complex and continuous updating of these rules is required. Every stockholder of the business interested in a particular facet of the information about the business. The art and science of accounting helps to put together these requirements of information uh, as per university accepting principle and also to interpret the results. It is interesting to note that each one of us has an accountant hidden in us. We do see our parents keep track of monthly expenses. We make a distinction between payment dozen for monthly grocery, a house like creating, a resources that has indefinite future use. The most common accounting record that each one of us knows our bank passbook or bank statement, which bank maintains for us. It tracks each rupee that we deposit or withdraw from our account. When we go to the supermarket buy something, the cashier of the counter will record things we buy and give us a bill or a cash memo. Yes, these are sources document prepared for the transaction between the supermarket and us. While these are simple examples, there could be more complex business activities. A good working knowledge of keeping records is therefore necessary. Professional account bodies all over the world have been functioning with the objective of providing this body of knowledge. And these institutions engaged with importing training the field of the accounting. So let us start with some basic definition, concepts, and conventions or practices used development of this art as well as science. Okay. See, if you're going to see the definitions, in order to understand the subject matter with clearly, let us study something of definitions which depict in scope, content and purpose of accounting. The field of accounting generally subdivided into bookkeeping, financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. See, what is the bookkeeping? From 150 years onwards, yes, yeah, Britishers are ruled us. Actually, CMA or ICWA accounting, where it came from, we know that, right? So from that one, all this will come, and first will be bookkeeping. The most common definition of bookkeeping, as given by definition J.R. Batley he is Indian? No. Is bookkeeping is an art of recording business transactions in a set of books. As can be seen, it basically recording keeping function. One must understand that not all dealings are, however, recorded. Only transaction expressed in terms of money will find place in books of accounts. There are functions which will be ultimately result in transfer of the economic value of one person in the other. Bookkeeping is a continuous activity. Sorry, something is went into my ear. The records being maintained as transactions are entered into, and small insects went into this. Okay, it's okay. And the being a routine and repetitive work in today's world, it is taken over by the computer systems. Mainly, accounting packages are available to suit different business organizations. It is also referred to as set primary records. These records from the basis of accounting is an art business. A record is to be kept in such manner that it will facilitate further processing and reporting of financial information which will be useful for all stakeholders of the business. Second one, bookkeeping is okay. Coming to the financial keeping, it is commonly termed as accounting. See, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Did you ever listen a few about CPA? Yes, defines accounting as an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money transactions, events which are in the part at least of financial character, interpreting in the results thereof. The first step in the cycle of accounting is to identify transactions that will find place in books of accounts. Transactions having financial impact there are to be recorded. Example, if a businessman negotiates with a customer regarding supply of products, this will not be recorded. The negotiation is a deal. A deal is which is with potentially create a transaction and will have exchange of money or money worth business, but unless the transaction finally entered into, it will not be recorded in the books of accounts. Secondly, the recording of the business transaction done based on the golden rules of accounting, which are explained later. Will be is a systematic manner. Transactions of similar nature are grouped together, recorded accordingly. See examples: sales transaction, purchase transactions, cash transaction. One has to interpret the transaction and then apply the relevant golden rule to make a correct the entry thereof. Thirdly, as the transaction increases in number, it will be difficult to understand the combined effect of the same by referring to individual records. Hence, the art of accounting has also involves the step of summarizing them. With the bid of computers, this task is simplified in today's accounting world. Summarizing with help users of the business for information to understand and interpret business results. See, coming to this one, in lastly, the accounting process provides the users with statements which will describe which has happened to the business. Remember, the two basic questions are talked about. One to know whether business has made profit or loss, and other to know the position of the resources that are used by the business. It can be noted that although accounting is often referred to as an real art, it is science also. This is because it is based on university applicable set of rules. However, it is not a pure science as there is a possibility of different interpretation. Third one, cost accounting. According to the Chartered Institute of Management Accounting Accountants (CIMA), accountants same cost accountants is defined as application of costing, cost accounting principles, methods, and techniques to the science, art and practice of cost and control, and the ascertainment of profitability, as well as the presentation of information for the purpose of managerial decision making. It is a branch of accounting dealing with that classification, recording, allocation, summarizing, and reporting of current prospective cost, and analyzing their behaviors. Cost accounting is frequently performs. Okay, cost accounting is frequently used to facilitate internal decision making and provides tools with the management can price, performance, and control cost of doing business. Its primary involves relating the cost to the different products produced and sold services, you know, rendered by the business. While financial accounting deals with the business transactions at a border level, cost accounting aims at further breaking it up to the last possible level to identify uh, costs with the products and services. It uses same financial accounting documents and records. Modern computerized accounting packages like ERP system provides for processing financial as well as cost accounting records simultaneously. The branch of accounting deals with the process of ascertainment of costs. The concept of cost is always applied with reference to a context. Knowledge of the cost concept with their application provides a very sound platform for decision making. Cost and accounting aims at equipping management with information that can be used for control on business activities. And fourth one is management accounting. Management account is concerned with the use of financial and cost accounting information to managers within organization to provide them with the basis in the making informed business decision that would allow them to the better equipment in their management and control functions. Unlike financial accounting information, which for public companies in public information, management accounting information used with an organization like typical for decision making and is usually confidential and is access available only to a selected few. See, according to the Chartered Accountants of the Management (CIMA), management accounting is the process of identification, measurement, accumulation, analysis, preparation, interpretation, and communication of information used by management to plan, evaluate, and control with an entity and ensure appropriate use of the and accountability for its resources. Management accounting also comprises the preparation of financial reports for non-management groups such as shareholders, creditors, regulatory authorities, and tax authorities. Basically, management accounting aims to facilitate management in formulating strategies, planning, and constructing business activities, making decisions, optimal use of resources, safeguarding assets of business. These branches of accounting have evolved the years of research and basically synchronized with the requirements of business organizations and all entities and associated with them. We will now see what are they and how accounting satisfies various needs of different stakeholders. Okay, so tomorrow we'll difference between bookkeeping and accountancy. We'll let which